Hey guys, this is Craig Walkner with Fringe Character, Yeti Rain, and Snarling Adjective Convention, and I have a great tip for you. If you have left gaffer's tape on your cymbal way too long. I have a 22-inch David Garibaldi Savian Signature Jam Master ride here, and it's a beautiful cymbal. I wanted a little more control on it, so I put about a 6-inch slice of gaffer's tape on it and left it on it for way too long. Now, I think a lot of people say, well, it's gaffer's tape. It's going to not leave any residue. Well, yes, that may be correct, but if you leave it on for a very long time, or a long time that is, it will leave a residue on it. A very hard to get off residue. So far I have tried WD-40, some random garage door Pro Lube, Pisces cymbal cleaner. I have tried mineral spirits. I have tried pretty much everything I can think of, and I can't get it off. I've even tried to sand it on another cymbal. These HHX groove hats. Don't do that. I just tried to sand over it, and yeah. So what I did find though is this stuff. Smith & Nephew Remove Universal Adhesive Remover Wipe. Reference or REF 403100. Comes in a box like this. Get it on Amazon, and there's a whole bunch of them in there. I think it's only like, something around $10 US or $15 US, but it's way worth it. Anyway, let's get to it. What you do is what I do is kind of squish. Squish it around a little bit. And yes, I realize I'm only wearing one glove. You got to give it some time to soak in. It's like a alcohol pad. It's a little more gel to it, and you definitely have to use this in a well-ventilated area. That is for sure. It's flammable. I have this gigantic window here that is open in the basement. And I'm still getting vaporized out. So you want to let it sit for a little while. What I like to do is kind of leave it spread out and, cover that just for extra coverage. You can see it's starting to break down. What it is this adhesive. It's like wallpaper paste. Look at it just come off. It's amazing. It really is amazing. So I decided to move into the workshop in my basement here, probably best not to do this on your bedspread. I have tried Gugon before, you can see that in the picture, but no, this is all these pads here at work, and the results speak for themselves. It's really great. This gaffers tape was on there for, must have been about a year, maybe 2 years. It's been that long. It's really great. I decided to use one more wipe here for a total of 3 wipes. And I gotta say, the results, they're fantastic. The cost effectiveness, the ease of use, I mean, I used everything. Gugon, mineral spirits, WD-40, soaking it overnight in hot water and soap, everything. And it just turned out great. It turned out great. And what I'll do is put it over some hot water or a hot towel with some soap and wipe it off. And there you go. So I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Craig Walkner with Far Corner, Snarling Adjective Convention, Yeti Rain, and Sensory Percussion.